Bloody hell. Right, we've had a good old, what I call a domestic setback. Fridge has gone, knackered. We've had somebody out to have a look at it and he re-gassed it. It lasted for a couple of days, but he said if it don't last more than a couple of days, it's knackered, you need a new fridge. So, new fridge it is. But it was one of these American style fridge freezers and it was built in here. I've actually took it out. I took it out this morning because I needed my son to give me, I'm getting it out, but I'm going to work. So we had to do it pretty quick, so it's out in the garden now in pieces. So I need to replace it. So I'm going to take these two out. I'm going to take the wine rack out. I'm going to drop all that, which will give us all that space back, and possibly build some sort of breakfast bar in there. And I might either turn that wine rack on its side or possibly build another wine rack, because that's the cheap laminated stuff. These are oak doors, but this is the cheap laminated stuff. So I might build another oak wine rack and put it down there and use it as a leg for the breakfast bar top that I'm going to put in. So that's my weekend sorted for another couple of weekends, I think. And obviously I don't want to spend a fortune, so I want to do it all out. I want to do it all myself out of reclaimed material and try and make it look as good as possible. Right, so that's my video today. Hope you enjoy.
About 6, get out of bed. It's outside to the shed. Unlock the door, step inside. The weekend's here, it's time to hide. But first I let the wife know she won't be at all surprised. Took her coffee in bed, this is what I said as I looked her in the eyes. I'll be in my shed if you need me, from dawn till setting sun. I'm gonna cane this weekend. For all it's worth, I'll see you when I'm done. I've never been one for football or afternoons on the beer. Give me a hammer and saw, then lock the door. I'm staying put right here. The buzz comes from the doing, to look what you can achieve. To change the state, rework, create, and build your self-belief. Build your self-belief. Happy is keeping busy with making things from scratch. It's like the feelings you get from winning a bet. It's a drug that's hard to match. It's a kind of mental healing, like a medicine you get for free. You can turn a frown upside down. Happy's the best that you can be. I'll be in my shed if you need me, from dawn till setting sun. I'm gonna cane this weekend. For all it's worth, I'll see you when I'm done.
Pallets and planks and sheds and shanks and nuts and bolts and nails, hammers and files, pigs and tiles, real men swapping tales. To clear your mind, relax, unwind, just lock the world away. Create a space for slow the pace, get in your shed and play. Thoughts and plans, not idle hands, projects big and small, dust and dirt, grease and hurt, the workshop has it all. To clear your mind, relax, unwind, just lock the world away. Create a space to slow the pace, get in your shed and play. Fix and bend, shape and bend, fashion something new. Hone your skill, spark the thrill, you know what you should do. Push yourself, step out your zone, see how far you can go. It's down to you, there's no one else. Let your talent show. Clear your mind, relax, unwind, just lock the world away. Create a space to slow the pace. Get in your shed and play. Create a space to slow the pace. Get in your shed and play. Get in your shed and play.
It's a very manly space, for some a sacred place, for weekend worship, weekend fun, where stuff takes shape and things get done. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame we must grow old. So spend it wise and spend it well. Pray they've got workshops in hell. Take ideas from your head, don't make them in your shed. You cut in the sand and turn your hand, create great things across the land. So spend it wise and spend it well. Pray they've got workshops in hell, with a soft spot for your tool. You're breaking all the rules. It's home from home, you're in the zone. Perfecting skills, you work alone. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame we must grow old. So spend it wise and spend it well. Pray they've got workshops in hell. We prize patience here, not haste. That's why nothing goes to waste. Use what you've got, waste not, want not. You'll make things work no matter what. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame we must grow old. So spend it wise and spend it well. Pray they've got workshops in hell. So spend it wise and spend it well. Pray they've got workshops in hell.
There you go. I woke up this morning and I thought it might be a good idea to combine part 1 and part 2 together of this kitchen refurb for people that have not seen part 1. Just a short montage there. So there you go, that's it in its finished state. Breakfast bar for 3 people. Completely made out of scrap. The only thing I had to buy were the tiles for the top, the grout and the adhesive and the silicone. So that's probably cost me less than 50 quid to do all that. It has took me probably 3 weekends work, but worth it I think. The wife's happy with it anyway. Right, thank you very much for watching. Thanks to all the subscribers. If you'd like to see more, like, subscribe, notifications, and we'll bang some more videos out. Thanks for watching. See you again. Cheers. Bye.